Hi everyone, I'm back with another video and welcome to Monkey Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Among Us on your Chromebook. First step is to go into your App Store. There you go. Once you're in your App Store, you want to next go into search up Among Us and click install. Click continue. If you have something like this, just click skip because everything is free. I'll be back when it's done loading. I'm so sorry guys, but mine did not install in a few hours. So if that happens to you, I'm sorry, I cannot solve that problem. But if that works, you just click